today we came upon a new trail. We found the indigenous flipped over beetle. Watch closely as it's flipped over. Alright. He's doing the spin technique. Get back, he's gonna spit. Alright, he's dancing, he's mating call. There should be, there's another one, right there. He's already attracted a black one. Oh, he's stealing stuff. Alright, you may wonder why I'm in boxes. But it's okay. I'll put him out of his misery. It's only hurt for a second, don't worry. Alright. Oh my god! Alright. Good night.
There's what?
Spider.